What's going on, everybody? This is kind of like an unfiltered rant. I just got this email from YouTube, and if you haven't heard, which you probably haven't yet, because I just got this email like 20 minutes ago, and this post was just put on the YouTube blog. YouTube is basically taking away monetization features from all the smaller YouTube channels across YouTube. And basically, from what I'm reading in this post, one of the main reasons is so that big YouTubers with millions of subscribers that are already making six figures can keep their revenue and keep earning a crap load of money and keep making a killing off YouTube, while smaller content creators don't even have a chance until, if their channel ever does explode, which, one of the motivating factors for a lot of people is that they can potentially make money and that they start to see a little bit of money coming in. So YouTube is basically taking away monetization from a lot of smaller YouTubers. I imagine one of the reasons for this is because I have heard that there's advertisers boycotting YouTube, so there's not enough ads to go around for everybody. So all the big content creators are putting pressure on YouTube. This is just what I'm thinking is happening. They're putting pressure on YouTube, so as a result, it looks like a lot of channels like mine with a measly 5,000 subscribers, they're losing their monetization. Now, it's not like I make a ton of money off YouTube. I mean, I've been on YouTube since 2010. I was one of the first, I think, big tutorial channels that did tutorials specifically for Game Maker, and that's why my channel gained a few thousand subscribers. And I have kind of like a little community around me. But of course, I left YouTube for a couple years, and I've just now come back. The channel's just now starting to come back together. If you've noticed, I've been posting a video like every single week, sometimes 2-3 times a week, because I'm trying to get this channel going again. Especially coming into 2018, I wanted this channel to take off. But I'm greeted in the new year with, "Hey, Wizardy, we're taking your monetization away from you." So again, it's not, I don't make a ton of money from YouTube at all, like dollars probably, but it's just like kind of a slap in the face from YouTube, and it's really obnoxious. It's really annoying. And then, just this blog post. 2017 marked a tough year for many of you, with several issues affecting our community and the revenue earned from advertising through YouTube Partnership Program, YPP, which is what this is. Again, it's PP. Despite those issues, most creators than ever, or more creators than ever, are earning a living from YouTube, with the number of channels making over six figures, up to over 40% year over year. In 2008, a major focus for everyone at YouTube is protecting our content or our creator ecosystem and ensuring that your revenue is more stable. So basically, again, they're talking to the people that are only earning six figures or somewhere around there. And they're basically saying to those guys, we want to ensure that your revenue is more stable. So then they just go into basically how they're stripping monetization from a lot of the smaller channels that aren't meeting a certain threshold of subscribers gained within the year and hours watched and everything. Anyway, I post a link in the description for the blog post. The email that I got is on my Twitter, twitter.com/wizardy, and some of you guys that are my friends on here, you're making videos too. You're making a few bucks off your videos. You probably got this email too. Anyway, that's just what I wanted to post, kind of a rant about. It is pretty irritating. And let me know your guys' thoughts. I'm sure you're going to hear more about it this week from other YouTube channels. But yeah, just got this. So anyway, why you got to do that, YouTube? Why you got to do that?